एमटीओआई भारतीय कंपनी अधिनियम के तहत एक गैर लाभकारी संस्था के रूप में पंजीकृत है और इसकी मुख्य प्रबंध समिति में 7 सदस्य हैं। प्रबंध समिति में विशेष आमंत्रित सदस्य भी शामिल हैं जो उद्योग जगत के विशेषज्ञ हैं। एमटीओआई कई व्यापार सेवाओं में लगा हुआ है। इसी कड़ी में कोलकाता के टॉलीगंज क्लब में वार्षिक सेमिनार का आयोजन ये कार्यक्रम पूर्वी क्षेत्र चैप्टर द्वारा आयोजित किया गया है। एमटीओआई के अध्यक्ष अरुण कुमार इस विषय पर कहा।
Namaskar, I'm Arun Kumar. I'm the president of Association of Multimodal Transport Operators of India. I'm also the honorary secretary of Air Cargo Forum of India, MD of InSynergy Supply Chain Solutions, which is the company which gives my bread and butter. We were here in Calcutta for the Eastern Regional event of MTOI, which was organized by our Eastern Regional Committee. Although we don't call any of the MTOI events the regional events, they are usually MTOI events because regions are just an extension of MTOI in general. And this is a forum where we discuss how we can enhance multimodalism to curtail cost, to bring more efficiency in the system. Ultimately, we want to be the contributors to India's growth, to the whole ecosystem that can propel India to become a developing country. We are already 4th largest, and I'm not happy saying that we should be 3rd largest. We should be the largest country in the world in terms of GDP. So the effort is to do that. It'll take a while, but we are getting there. Okay, today was so every year, once we have one event in every region. This has been the MTOI policy. So we have one event in north, one event in the west, one event in the east. So this is the eastern event. So this is what we do is we bring all our managing committee to this event. We have a managing committee meeting in the region, and then we interact with the members in the region to listen to their what is the difficulties they are facing, or if there is a suggestion that we can get from them for growth of multimodalism in general. And we also take up issues which become hindrance from the government side, from the regulator side. Let's say, for example, GST. If the people are bothered by GST, then we take up those issues. We try to get into depth of it, form a kind of our opinion, and reach out with our representation to the government bodies in Delhi. Normally in Delhi, because most of the central government bodies are in Delhi. So that is what we do, and this is the event which gives us those inputs based on which we make those representations.
कार्यक्रम के संयोजक ब्रिज लाखोटिया इस विषय पर कहा है कि
My name is Brijmohan Lakhotia. I am from Pinnacle Logistics. I am convener of Eastern Regional Chapter of MTOI. The MTOI is all for multimodalism, and we are here to promote multimodalism. Today's program was also on multimodalism and logistics. This is our annual event, and we hold this seminar every year. And this year we had our All India President coming from Noida, Arun Kumar. We had chief guest as Suresh Rekhawat of PCBL Chemicals Limited and Shubhajit Roy, advocate. They spoke on their subjects, like Mr. Rekhawat spoke on logistics and the issues faced by them as an exporter-importer. Shubhajit Roy was speaking on law relating to maritime.
Pramod Kumar Srivastava hai. I am running an ICD at Durgapur. I am a very prominent member of MTOI, and I used to attend all the meetings held every year. Every 2 years, you can say. It is my good luck that I could attend this meeting because I was supposed to go outside, but somehow it was cancelled, and now I am here to attend this particular seminar, and which has been nicely organized and fantastically arranged. And Ashish was a gem of a person arranging the hosting of this event. So So Amtau is one of the prominent place, and the Eastern India has grown slowly and steadily. So I wish all the best, good luck for other years to come. Annual seminar, because normally it happens annually in each and every locations. In this year it was happening in Calcutta.
कि इस कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि सुरेश कुमार राखोवत और विशिष्ट अतिथि सुभोजित रॉय थे। इस कार्यक्रम को कन्वा विवेक चौधरी और अन्य इस कार्यक्रम सफल बनाने के लिए गणमान्य व्यक्ति उपस्थित थे।